Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we are going to master 3 essential Python list methods: append, insert, and remove. If you want to manage collections of data efficiently in Python, these are the tools you need to know. First, let's understand why we need these methods. Python lists are dynamic, which means they aren't fixed in size. You can constantly change them. We use these built-in methods to add new items or delete existing ones without having to rebuild the entire list from scratch. It is all about efficiency and convenience. Let's start with the most common method, append. The concept is simple. Append adds a single item to the very end of your list. It modifies the list in place, meaning it updates the original variable directly. Think of it like adding a new page to the end of a book. Here is how it looks in code. We have a list called fruits containing apple and banana. When we write fruits.append and pass in the string cherry, Python tacks cherry onto the end. The output shows our list now has 3 items in that exact order. Sometimes you need more precision. That is where the insert method comes in. Unlike append, insert allows you to place an item anywhere in the list. It takes 2 arguments. First, the index number where you want the item to go, and second, the item itself. Let's see insert in action. We have a list of colors, red and blue. We want green to be in the middle. Since lists start at index 0, index 1 is the second position. So we write colors.insert 1, green. The result is red, green, blue. Green pushed blue over to make room. Now, what about deleting items? The remove method is used to delete an item by its value, not its position. It scans the list, finds the first occurrence of that value, and deletes it. Be careful though, if the item isn't found, Python will raise an error. Here is an example. We have a list of numbers with 2 20s in it. When we call nums.remove20, it only removes the first 20 it finds. The second 20 at the end of the list remains untouched. This is a crucial detail to remember. Let's recap. Use append when you just want to add to the end. It takes 1 argument. Use insert when position matters. It takes an index and an item. And use remove when you want to delete a specific value. It takes the value itself as the argument. The best way to learn is by doing. Try writing a simple script today that uses all 3 of these methods. Maybe build a simple shopping list or a to-do app. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.